We need to define a function such that when we call it with a number, it should return us the string prime or non-prime by checking if the number is prime or not. Since a prime number is simply a number that is divisible by 1 and itself, we'll start a loop from 2 till the number minus 1 and increase the iterator's value one by one each time the loop runs. If our number gets perfectly divided by our iterator and gives a remainder 0, that means the number is not a prime number, and here we'll return the string not prime. If the loop ends, that means the number was not divisible by I, and in this case we'll return the string prime. Let's try to run for a number that is not a prime number. In this case, when the loop starts running, 10 gets divided by 2 in the first iteration and not prime is returned. Similarly, 20 also returns not prime as it gets divided by 2. 23 returns prime because when 23 is divided by any value of iterator, the remainder is never 0.